The process to building this franchise took a lot of hard work and a lot of perseverance. It takes a very self-motivated and strong person to be a successful entrepreneur. And when it does succeed, it's very successful and rewarding, both financially and personally. My name's Austin Schneeweis. I am 28 years old, and I am a Merry Maids franchise owner. I started the franchise route because it had the tried and true model. I really wanted to be comfortable in the decision to move from the corporate environment to be a entrepreneur, and I really wanted something that had a strong backing to it and a strong foundation and a good business model that I could incorporate and eventually run with. So it offered greater confidence starting a new franchise versus having to start from scratch on my own. I decided on ServiceMaster and Merry Maids because of the corporate brand that they had. The power of the national Merry Maids brand is very strong, and we've relied on that very heavily. We were able to turn one franchise into another, and now I'm up to 5. I wouldn't have been able to expand so quickly without the group around me. We really try to focus on upwards mobility for those individuals that are looking to do more than just cleaning. And we've been able to promote a lot of our internal candidates for staff positions in each office.
I worked for 3 months as a cleaner, got promoted to branch manager, and that's been amazing. It's not just about, making money or growing a business. It's about the people that work there.
It definitely feels like a family. Each morning we have our team meetings, and it's really a life session each morning.
I think what helps retain your employees is having an investment in their lives. That's something we push.
This whole experience has been extremely gratifying. Merry Maids and ServiceMaster really gives you the knowledge that you need starting out, and they're there every step of the way. My long-term goal is to build a strong organization, and I'd like to continue growing that and be one of the building blocks of Merry Maids for the future and be one of the stronger, larger, successful owners. I would like to be a franchise for forever.